Now we're talking about pot calls a little bit and about high frequency and things like that. I think more importantly than high frequency is volume. When you're trying to strike a turkey midday, you're looking for that call that'll reach out there. And you almost want to jerk a shock gobble out of him. You want something that makes him gobble at it. And a pot call is as good for that as anything else. They really will reach out there, especially on a windy day. They reach out there a little farther than what a mouth call does. This is what I prefer to use. I got like right here, I got a ceramic. I have a couple different calls that I use, but this is a ceramic call. That's what I like to do a lot of times midday. Just a little bit of cutting and some yelping, and that'll really reach out there and sometimes make a turkey gobble that might not gobble at something else.